Is it necessary to disinfect the shower after removing visible grime? Yes, because cleaning removes soils, but disinfection reduces living pathogens that can remain on surfaces. When you finish scrubbing and rinsing visible soap, scum, and mildew, follow with a targeted disinfection step to reduce bacteria, mold spores, and viruses. Choose an EPA-registered disinfectant or a household solution like white vinegar for general use, but no vinegar is not effective against many viruses, so use it mainly for mild mold and bacterial control. Apply the disinfectant so the surface stays visibly wet for the contact time listed on the product label, typically between 3 and 10 minutes, and keep the bathroom well ventilated while it works. For tile and grout, use a brush to push disinfectant into porous joints and allow extra dwell time compared with smooth surfaces. Rinse thoroughly when the label requires rinsing, especially on areas where people will stand or where children and pets touch. After rinsing, dry surfaces with a clean towel or squeegee to reduce moisture that encourages regrowth. Common mistakes include assuming all cleaners disinfect. Many detergents remove dirt but do not kill germs, so always check the product claim and follow label contact times. Another frequent issue is over diluting concentrated disinfectants, which reduces effectiveness, so measure carefully and never guess at ratios. People also skip rinsing after using strong products and leave residues that can irritate skin or degrade sealants. If the label says rinse, rinse thoroughly with water and then dry. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors using detailed project listings and community discussions to share real experiences and advice. We help contractors find work by letting them respond to homeowner posts and build a presence in our active discussion community.